That one need to. I don't know. That other car though gonna be tucked underneath.
I think it's too much for me to get up.
I didn't know there's a second fucking waterfall, Phil. Awesome, man.
Hey, Rich, try and go up on that side, you think?
Yeah, it's almost more than I can climb.
There ain't no sense tearing nothing up.
You just fucking let me eat it.
You didn't tear nothing up with your wrist. Goddamn panty waist. Damn.
You ain't gonna get that, Rich.
Rich. You made her.
Rich.
Rocky's been up when it's dry, but he won't do when it's like this. So Rocky has been up.
Go back over there. I just came up right here, man.
Yeah, I don't think I can get up there, and I think it's just too much.
No, start back from the beginning.
There you go. Now be notch at this one. Now there it goes. Woo! Now you got to bounce it. The only way to get up over that.
I think my springs are going to hit before I can get the tires to it.
Hey, Rich. No, you're
There's
good.
a second waterfall they didn't tell me about.
Hey, you got 6 inches clearance off your springs, don't it? Bitch, you got all kind of clearance on your springs. Hey, the front car's hitting dead rock. You got to get that way 6 inches.
Keep working it. Rich, cut it all the way here, other way. And back up a little bit.
There you go. Now cut her. Then straight.
No, straight.
You got to get a little bounce.
Go forward, stop.
You're good.
You want me to hold your beer?
I ain't got no steering.
He can't drive without a beer. Come on.
Believe it or not, I used to drive this thing smoking a cigar, drinking with a 9-inch steering wheel and manual steering.
You've never gripped something 9 inches in your life.
With the lockers.
You're clear.
It ain't going to come up. I got too much to jump.
Yeah.
There you go. Break your wheels up, front wheels. You're dead on. Yeah, straight. You can get some bounce. There you go. You got her. Right fucking Duval.
I didn't think it'd come up.
Awesome, man.
That's a lot of climb.
It is. There you go. You're clear now. Now straighten up.
There you go. There you go.
Awesome.
Or just maybe do it like 15.
Hang on just a minute.